What up, guys? In today's video, this is for all the sneaker lovers out there. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I stumbled across this online store called The Container Store. It's just a bunch of plastic shoe boxes that kind of just a neat way to store your shoes instead of just having a clutter in the side at your apartment or your house, or people throwing shoes on top of your shoes, especially if you're a sneaker lover like me. You obviously want your shoes in the best condition as possible, so I went online, I ordered this bad boy right here. They're just like shoe boxes, but they're plastic containers for it. There's 4 different colors. There's like this clear white color, there's black, there's red, and there's blue. So I guess let's just get into it and see what's good, okay? Alright, so as you can see, they're just shaped like a shoebox. Pretty easy. They're, all plastic with a clear front side to it, and they just easily open like that. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. Also, they do kind of stack on each other and they kind of click in so that they can all be in one place. I'd say overall, it's a great purchase, especially for sneaker lovers and people who love shoes, and just a cool way to organize your shoes. There's 2 different sizes to these shoe boxes. There was size small and size large. I obviously got the large. Like I said, 6 come to a box. I ordered them probably about less than a week ago. Pretty fast shipping on them getting to you when you place your order. Definitely say worth the purchase. If you want to check the website, I'll leave a link in my description for you to check it out. They're having 25% off right now.